Hello everyone, this video is a demonstration video about the chatbot that I built using Node.js and database. So let me explain you about the lines of the chatbot code. So these lines are a basic import required packages for a chatbot working. So these two lines are the database lines which are used to store data and retrieve data from the database. And this is the Telegram chatbot API package which is necessary needed to be imported, and this is the token of our chatbot that is obtained from Godfather. So and this line is the account for our chat account for our database to store the data. And get firestone is a method, and dbase is the instance for that method. And this service account is the JSON file that is provided with our database, and this is the JSON file that is provided to the database which was created in Firestone. And this is the working of our chatbot. Upon and if any message is received from the chatbot, this whole method is invoked. And in this method we have three sub methods, that is get method, post method, and other method which is deal with other methods. And this query is an array which stores the message received from the user, and message from the user using the split condition. That is, the message is divided into three parts. Wherever there is a blank space, and user, it is the ID of the user who is chatting with our chatbot. And query of 0 basically consists of get or post basically. So if it is a get method, then this method will be invoked. And first dbase, which is our database, and collection is our database part, which our bot data is stored into that collection, and our collection name is bot data. So user id, it is the value in our collection, and it is a key value. So this key value should be equal to our current user id. So if it is equal, then it retrieves all the data that is stored under that user id, and sends the message that the user requests to our chatbot. For example, if the user sends a query like get Aadhaar, then the chatbot will simply returns the Aadhaar number if it is available under that user ID. So this is the post method, which is used to store data into our database. So dot add, this is the method which is used to add data into that database. So these are the three parameters in our database that are user ID, key, and value. Where user ID is used to store data to that particular user, and key is the values such as Aadhaar or passport or phone number or name and any other values. And value is that Aadhaar value or name value or passport number, etc. And upon storing the data, it will send the message to the user like data posted successfully. If the user sends message other than post or get, that is for example any random text, then bot will send the message such that query must begin with either post or get method. So let me show you my chatbot. So this is my chatbot that I created using that code. So this is our database. This is the bot data which is stored in Firestore maintained by Google. And let me show you the working of my chatbot. So for example, I sent the message to the bot like post uh, age 21. Sorry, let me start my bot. I started to go forward. So in order to start our chatbot, you need to type the command like node, my file name, capstone.js. So our bot started, and let's again send the query to the bot post post age is posted, then for example, if it is marks, post marks uh, 13, so it will save the data into the database. And if we want to get the data from the database, get marks. So here it is showing our marks to be 20. And if we want to see store another data like uh, get Aadhaar, where I stored at the beginning of the construction of the chatbot, get Aadhaar, and this is my Aadhaar that is stored in the chatbot. So I mean I stored two Aadhaar, that is why it is sending two Aadhaar number. So this is the demonstration video about my chatbot. Thank you.